I just wanted to make a short video about my vintage Ludwig drums. I bought these drums probably 2 years ago in September 2017. I had been looking for a Ludwig vintage kit for a while, and here in Sweden they are pretty expensive. But I found this kit on an ad, and it was probably a third of the price you will pay in a store for a vintage kit. It looked good, the shells were good, the hardware were good, nothing was damaged or anything. The only thing I didn't really like was the color. This was a Ludwig chrome over wood, and I wanted a more classic look on my kit. So this summer 2019 I sent my kit away to redo the bearing edges and also rewrap it in another color. I removed the old wrap myself. What I didn't know was that it was actually real metal. It took me about 6 hours to remove. I'm really glad I did remove the old wrap, because on one of the toms it was so rusty on the inside, so the wrap wasn't even attached to the drum anymore. And one of the biggest decisions I had to make was what kind of color do I want. I had been looking at different colors of vintage Ludwig kits, and I like a lot of them, but I ended up with this gold sparkle wrap. So let's see how they sound.